So in this video, me and my brother go on a trip to Rainbow Falls in southwestern North Carolina. And this trip turned into an unexpected adventure. We ended up at some of the best waterfalls in North Carolina. And it was honestly one of the best days I've had in a very long time. So without further ado, let's get into the video. We're at Dry Falls, and the cool thing is last night it rained like stupid hard here, and the rivers are gushing, dude. Like, it is insane how much water is at these waterfalls right now. I'm looking at it right now. It is, here, I'll just show you a little glimpse. Look at that, guys. That is huge. Might not look that big on camera right now, but wait till we get over there. We can actually walk under it, which I'm pretty stoked about. Dude, this is a lot of freaking water, dude. I ain't never seen a waterfall gushing like this. I'm about to go under it. Hopefully I don't get my camera wet. Oh my gosh. Dude, this is crazy. There's no way we're gonna be able to go over there. That water's just like blasting right there. There's no way we could go over there. Look at this. I don't know what strategy he's doing. I'm gonna try something. I don't know. Good news. We made it. We got soaked. We ran as fast as we could, but it's like a pressure washer.
I was going as fast as I could without slipping on them rocks, because I go straight out. That'd be good.
Dude, yeah, it's rocky and slippery back there. It's like raining on us because of the mist and the wind. This is an insanely cool waterfall, dude. Like, there's so much water and moss. Like moss and crap. The waterfall. Perfect time to come to this waterfall right after a rainstorm. All right, we're gonna head back and go to the next waterfall. Gosh, dude, that crap is wet. I got blasted. All right, so we were driving and we like stumbled upon this like random waterfall. It was like right down the road from the last waterfall, so we'll check it out real quick. Looks pretty cool. Closed. I guess normally you can drive under it, but it's closed. What you think?
I sneezed 2 times on the way from the car, and it's pretty nice. It usually isn't as big, but it rained last night.
Yeah, that's what I was telling you.
So now it's pretty decent.
Like, we picked the perfect day to go chasing waterfalls in Nantahala. I think it's Nantahala National Forest. I don't know how to pronounce it, but we're out here in southwestern North Carolina just checking out waterfalls. Alright, so we're driving and we stumble upon the second waterfall, surprise waterfall, called Silver Run Waterfall. I don't know anything about this one. I don't even know what it looks like. I just hear it. Doesn't seem like it's too far off the road, so we're gonna check it out real quick. Nobody's here, so I guess that's good. So you see it? Oh, I do see it peeking through there. It looks pretty cool. Sounds pretty big. I mean, obviously this rain is just like making every waterfall way cooler. So Dude, oh my gosh, what the heck, dude? What? Whoa. This would be sick to swim in. Dang. Yeah. That's sick. Look at that. That's very picturesque. And there's no people, just us. Sick waterfall. It would be super cool if it was summertime and like we could swim in here, but there's not, that I see, any other way to get over there. I mean, this is just it. You're just kind of like standing on this rock. I'm gonna go try to find another spot to like maybe see if we can get over there. Oh wait, hey yo, I think there's a trail right here. Oh dude, there is a trail to the waterfall. We found we found a trail over to the waterfall. Heck yeah, dude. Alright. I don't have my hiking shoes on right now, so I gotta be careful. Slippery. Yeah, we're a little closer now, so. I don't know how we keep getting like these random waterfalls and they're actually pretty sick. But this one's really big and I didn't even know it existed. I've never even heard of this one. It's so cool. We've got to come back here in the summertime and swim. I mean, you got a perfect like swimming hole right here. I bet you the water's
ice cold. I put my hand in it.
Is it? Let me check it out. I mean, we could, but that is like ice cold, dude. Once it gets warmer out, we've got to come back here. Yeah. Silver Run Falls. All right, on to the next. Guys, just freaking again, I don't know. This is a crazy trip. Excuse my hair. This is my driving hat, okay? Look at this view. Look at this view. What in the heck is that, dude? Freaking nuts. Let's get out. Oh, I'm standing in my shot. What's going on? I was doing a time lapse, but whatever. I swear, today is like full of freaking surprise waterfalls. I was like, right after we left that overview, we saw a sign for Whitewater Falls. And we were like, well, I mean, I've always wanted to come here. This was on my list. And like, we're driving by it, so we might as well. Yeah.
I mean, he's not even kidding. The freaking overlook we were at is literally right there.
Yeah.
And he's like, oh, and whips it in here.
I mean, apparently this is like the largest or tallest waterfall in the eastern US or something like that. So, pretty stoked on that. Go check it out. Okay, here we go. This is just the overlook. Holy crap! Yo! What the frick? imagine you're the guy that like is exploring this area and you discover this. Like, it must have been a sight, dude. Just like not even like, oh, there's another waterfall over there. Like a smaller one. Holy crap. There it is. That place, that waterfall is freaking sick. Gosh, I even got a freaking rainbow on camera on my drone. We're gonna go get some food or something, and then we'll actually go to Rainbow Falls this time.
Rainbow Falls time.
All right, let's go. So remember that time when I said that we were on the way to like do all that stuff? Well, on the way to the car from Whitewater Falls, which we were just at, we met this man. His name was John. He was a thru hiker on the Foothills Trail, and he needed a ride back to his car. So it was about, I don't know, 30 minutes away in the opposite direction. So we took John to his car. Super nice guy. Now we have tagged on about an extra half an hour to the drive. All right, so we got here. We are starving and there was nothing to eat around us. So we're gonna go ahead, hit this waterfall real quick. I'm gonna eat a Cliff Bar to just pull me over because dude, I am like, we're both starving. We haven't eaten, I haven't eaten in like four or 5 hours. So I'm gonna eat this real quick. We're vibe out. Go check this one out. I hear the water roaring, so. All right, oh my. All right, I'm not even lying. We're here, right? Eating this Cliff Bar, and I'm like, I wonder how long it takes to do the trail. So I look on all trails. This is the craziest thing. You have to like reserve a parking space here, and the trails close at 6:30 and it's 6 o'clock. It says right here. Or like you have to pay or something. And then the trails close at 6:30. So we drove here, and we can't do the waterfall. But we did do a bunch of other waterfalls, and that was sick. I guess we're gonna go ahead and go get some freaking food or something. But note to self, Rainbow Falls, you have to like do a bunch of weird stuff before you come here, which I did not know. But anyways, man, this was a big adventure. Crazy day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, do all that jazz, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out and live Cosmic.
I got it.